Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, rear spoiler, trailering package, daytime running lamps, traction control, steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.